With the holidays fast approaching, Greening Niagara is making sure to remind us to keep in touch with our eco-friendly side this season as they host their 5th annual EcoFest.
We want to educate the people who live in Niagara about some of the initiatives in Niagara and the greener companies that are around. We wanted to let people know that we do more than just climate change education. We also do urban forestry and community gardens.
Now, is there a theme set out to represent EcoFest?
The theme this year is Greening the Season.
And what kinds of initiatives can you suggest that will make for a greener Christmas?
Well, one of the things people can do is actually buy environmentally friendly presents and reduce packaging on these presents.
Looking to protect what we have for future generations to enjoy, representatives from the Niagara Bruce Trail Club were enthusiastic to promote their mission.
The Niagara Bruce Trail Club is one of 9 clubs, and we look after the trail from Queenston all the way to Grimsby. We have about 80 kilometers to look after, and we run hikes 5 days a week, and we invite anybody in the Niagara region to join us. But in addition to the hikes, we also maintain the trail as well. We have to have crews ready at all times during the year, going out and clearing the path.
So this is the 5th year that Greening Niagara has organized this event for the community, but recently you've decided to hold it in Welland. Why the change in location?
Well, the name of our organization is Greening Niagara, and even though we're based in St. Catharines, and we've always done it in St. Catharines, we want to broaden our horizons and get out to everybody in the community.
Environmental advocacy and awareness is being offered up by the Bundle here at EcoFest 2013, making it possible to have a greener Christmas. In Welland, reporting for The Source, I'm Carolyn LeConte.